Ivan, on behalf of everybody at Lloyd's List, I'd like to present you with our Newsmaker of the Year award. Many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lloyd's List, for honoring me with this fantastic award. Maersk Line has been through a very difficult journey, but I'm very, very happy to see that we have come around it and really turned our business around. Fortunately, we still see that we have a long way to go. There's a lot we still can achieve in this industry, but we take this recognition as a huge encouragement that we are on the right track. I'm very proud to be the CEO of Maersk Line, to see what we have done, and thank you once again for this fine recognition.